Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Question Point. Here we provide MCQ format questions for various competitive exams, mostly for various SSC exams like CGL, MTS and of course CHSL. So in today's video we will be having a practice set, and this practice set is mainly for GK and GS questions which are based on previous year questions and the questions which can be asked in the upcoming exam of SSC CHSL exam 2023. So without a further delay, let's start our practice session, and you can comment the score, how much you scored in 25 questions in the comment section after watching the video. So let's get started. First question is, seeds are not enclosed in fruits in option are monocotyledon, gymnosperms, dicotyledon या angiosperm. So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is gymnosperm. In case of gymnosperm plants, so the seeds are not enclosed in the fruits. Next question, DNA in a cell is, what is DNA which is inside the cell? It is a kind of amino acid, fatty acid, carboxylic acid or a nucleic acid. So correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is nucleic acid. DNA in the cell is a kind of a acid which is a nucleic acid. Next question, Purna Swaraj was announced in the Indian National Congress session of. So basically Purna Swaraj was announced in the session of 1929 INC session, and it was held at Lahore. Next question, Sahara Desert is in the continent of Africa, Asia, Europe or America? So basically Sahara Desert is found in the continent of Africa. Next question, the density of water is greater than the density of kerosene if the two are mixed. Kerosene dissolved in water, they mix uniformly, water floats on kerosene or kerosene floats on water. So correct answer for this question will be option number 4, that is kerosene will float on water. Always remember, the substance which have the less density than the other substance, it will float on the other substance. So here kerosene have the less density than that of water, so kerosene will float on the water. Next question, Deen-e-Ilahi was founded by, and options are Shah Jahan, Guru Nanak Dev, Kabir or Akbar. So correct answer for this question will be Akbar. Deen-e-Ilahi, it was a kind of a religion which was founded by Akbar. Next question, which of the following is usually not an air pollutant? Nitrous oxide, hydrocarbons, sulfur dioxide or carbon dioxide? So the correct answer for this question is, so comment the correct option for this question, correct answer for this question in the comment section if you know the answer. Next question, GNP differs from NNP due to interest on public debt, depreciation, net indirect taxes and direct taxes. So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is depreciation. GNP and NNP differ due to the difference of depreciation. GNP stands for gross national product. When we subtract depreciation from it, we will get the NNP, that is net national product. Next question, which one of the following is used in making pencils? Black ash, graphite, charcoal or bone black? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is graphite. You must have heard that this is a graphite pencil or something like that. So remember that graphite is used for making pencil. Next question, the rootless plant is ginger, lemon, lamna or banana? So correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is lamna. Lamna is a rootless plant. Next question, disguised unemployment means inefficiency of capital structure to absorb the large labor force, more people working than required, willing to work and not getting work, not willing to work on all days throughout the year. So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is more people working than required. Suppose there is a field, and in this field 2 people are required for the work to be done, but instead of 2 people 4 people are working. So when 4 people are employed, the output of the field will remain same, it will not change. So here the contribution of 2 people remains 0. So this is called as disguised unemployment, when the people are more people are working than the required. 2 people are required, 4 people are working, this is disguised unemployment. Next question, Highest coffee growing state in India is option 1 Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. So coffee उत्तर प्रदेश में तो होगी नहीं, करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका कर्नाटका. Next question. London is situated on the bank of river Tigris, Thames, Tiber or Danube. So London is basically situated on the river bank of Thames. Next question. Devaluation means depreciation of the fixed assets, increase in the currency value in terms of foreign currency, reduction in the external value of currency, fall in the valuation of the essentials in an economy. So correct answer for this question is increase in the currency value in terms of foreign currency. Next question. The first Muslim women ruler of India was Begum Hajrat Mahal, Noor Jahan, Chand Bibi or Razia Sultan. So correct answer for this question is option number 4, Razia Sultan. Next question. The lines joining places of equal values of horizontal components of Earth's magnetic field are called aclinic line, isoclinic line, isogenic line or isodynamic lines. So correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is isodynamic lines. Next question. What kind of data can you send by email? Audio, video, pictures or all of the above? So correct answer for this question is all of the above. All the three components can be sent by the email. Next question. Banana is a undershrub, shrub, tree or herb. So correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is herb. Banana is a kind of herb. Next question. Free and compulsory education for all children is provided until they attain the age of 21 years, 14 years, 18 years or 16 years. So correct answer is option number 2. It is provided till the age of 14 years. Next question. Which country is the largest producer of raw jute? Myanmar, India, Bangladesh or Nepal? So correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the largest producer of raw jute. Next question. Fundamental rights are borrowed from the constitution of Australia, Russia, America or China. So basically fundamental rights, these are borrowed from the American Constitution or US Constitution. Next question. Statue of Liberty is the national emblem of Germany, Russia, UK or USA. So Statue of Liberty is the national emblem of USA. Next question. The medicinal plant used in preparation for skin care is aloe vera, ruba wolfia, cinchona or amla. So correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is aloe vera. Next question. Soda ash is the name for sodium carbonate, hydrated sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide or anhydrous sodium carbonate. So correct answer for this question is sodium carbonate. Let's have a look at the last question. What is the name of the book written by Vice President Mohammad Hamid Ansari, released by President Pranab Mukherjee at a function held at Rashtrapati Bhavan on September 23, 2016? Options are Culture and Unity, Family and Society, Indian Society, Citizen and Society. So correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is Citizen and Society. So this is the book which is written by the former Vice President Mohammad Hamid Ansari. So current Vice President is Jagdeep Dhankar ji and President is Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. Remember the current President and Vice President also. So friend, that's it for today. Comment your score in the comment sections and do like our video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video you will get the update of the same, and you can also practice the questions for your better preparation. So until we meet next time, till then keep learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.